Hi everyone, Tessa here. The company sent me this Niceday mini stepper for my honest review, so let's take a closer look. When you get the mini stepper, the first thing you want to do is make sure to lift these pedals all the way up, like this. And then I'm going to adjust this knob here. You want to make sure that it's all the way to the right. Then it's in its highest stepping position. So it's in its highest stepping position right now. You can adjust it so you can make smaller steps. So you just turn this knob to the left. The more to the left, the smaller the steps are going to be. Yeah, so that's a smaller range of motion. The stepper also has a display so you can check out how many steps you do. It also shows the time and calories burned and reps per minute. And this button scans through those modes. It's also recommended that you use this 10 to 15 minutes a day, at least 3 times a week. This mini stepper also comes with these resistance bands, so you get a total body workout. Right now it's long, so I will show you first of all how to shorten it. You just push the rope upward from the bottom. So this part, you see right there, it's coming up, and then pull one side of the top of the rope. So if this side, see, this side isn't going anywhere, so it must be this side. So you just pull this side. And if you want some more, just do that again, repeat, and we pull. And now, as you can see, it's quite short. To make it long again, you're going to push one side of the rope down. There, so I pushed it. And then you pull the bottom of the rope. And then do it again, just repeat. So just like that. And then we can get back to the longer one, so with less resistance. Overall, I love this mini stepper. I think it's great, and it's a really high quality too. And I'm just going to give you some suggestions of what you can do to get a total body workout. So in addition to stepping, you can do some curls, work on the biceps. You can work the shoulders by going all the way out. If you're strong enough for that. You can also do this thing, whatever this is called. I don't really remember what it's called, but there are some suggestions for you for a total body workout, and I am really feeling this already. This is great. I love it. I give it 5 stars.